Step into University Edge in Lansing, a student abode where cozy contemporary living resides in style and color. These cheerful en-suites and cozy 4-bedroom apartments feature a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances for all your culinary adventures, plus your own room to create a personal haven. Work out in the gym after class, then unwind with friends in the game room, enjoy a caffeine boost from the coffee bar, and refresh with a swim in the resort-style pool. And feel free to bring your pets along. They're welcome here. With secure parking for your wheels, parcel lockers, online payments, and on-site maintenance available, life here is hassle-free. Also, unlock unbeatable proximity to Michigan State University and Davenport University, located nearby. All it takes is a quick drive to reach campus. With the buses on West Boulevard, Michigan, and East Boulevard, Michigan, and the East Lansing station nearby, cruising through the city is easy, so don't make your dream home wait any longer. Book University Edge in Lansing via amberstudent.com